Howdy gang, we are here today at Royal Enfield Motorcycles of Fort Worth, MJ Motorcycles. We're showing you this beautiful 2011 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. This bike recently came in on trade. It's a cool looking motorcycle. If you're looking for a budget bagger, this might be a good find for you. This bike is Merlot Sunglow, beautiful sparkly finish, pops in the sunlight, has some nice add-ons to it. Like some Screaming Eagle mufflers on there. Quick detachable backrest. Adjustable highway pegs, cool Harley grips, tall windscreen. Really pretty paint. This motorcycle features a 96 cubic inch twin cam engine and 6-speed transmission. The bike came to us with one key and one key fob for the factory security system. It has 29,069 miles. Bike also has a little shorty antenna out back, as well as progressive suspension out yonders. The Merlot Sunglow paint job really does pop in the sunlight. If you guys would like to get some more information about this bike and check out its availability, give us a call, 817-834-1392. You can also view the full listing on our website, royalenfieldfortworth.com.